Alright, Moab Mall Crawlers, today Kevin and I are going to go get one of our own machines. It's out on Hell's Revenge. One of our guests decided to get a stick stabbed through one of the tires right on the hook, which he's stoked about.
Woohoo! I get to be the hooker today!
Kevin is a hooker.
Leaving the shop. Nice highway.
Noise pollution! Yeah, we don't have to go somewhere. Hey, what's going on?
You going somebody?
Well, one of our machines, one of the U-drives got a flat tire.
I'll go get him.
Yeah. See you guys. Hula girl's already partying. Woo!
So we're out here coming to do this recovery, grabbing our machine, and there's this spot up here that's not part of the trail. This isn't a hard set of ledges. No reason anybody in a stock anything can't drive up there. But what happens constantly? People tear the trees out and they move all this shit because they're scared. That's how you get trails shut down. We're gonna pick up a rock from over here and drop something in there they can't move. That one's a good one.
To me, it's stand it up. It's the rock strap and the Jason Blanton knot strap. Somebody was scarred. Going to get a side.
This would be something to help us with.
Okay, go. Okay. Rock. We need to set it right here.
Behind there.
Set it all the way. Yeah.
You ever run this trail before?
No, it's my first time. This one. We really need to put another rock right here.
Placed a couple big rocks here. Hopefully that would keep people from turning right instead of driving up the easy set of ledges. When you can't make it up the trail, you don't make a new trail. You turn around and go home. Recovery. There's a hole.
There's a hole
Right there. Davo's turning around so we're not blocking the place.
Soft shackle. How's it going?
Good. You look like you enjoy driving that truck right here.
Maybe.
Turn it on and put it in two-wheel drive. Let's see what the front not spinning.
So rad, mall crawlers.
roll backwards. Look, mono hands. Hey, lift the winch up about 3 inches. 2 inches. Good. Oh, we're going the wrong way, ball crawler.
Kevin and I had a great time. We're going to be giving away some stuff here really soon. We need 10,000 subscribers and we have 2,000, so pretty soon is up to you guys. We're going to have it all set up so you guys can enter a raffle. It's kind of like waffles. Waffles taste good. Raffles, you win cool stuff. It might just be like a sticker or a t-shirt or a Lamborghini, who knows. All right, Moab Mall Crawlers, see you next time. Spakalaka.